Okay, this is Rachel in EdTech, and I want to show you how you can add citizenship and comments to your grades in Aeries. Aeries is now where you will be adding citizenship comments and also confirming your grades for each grading period. So Aeries will be that same login as taking attendance each day. You want to go on the left and you want to click on the Grades tab. Once you click on the Grades tab, you will be able to see the final grades for each grading period for all of your students, all of your periods. You will always be able to view those grades. However, you only will have this Edit All Records button at the top when a grading period has been initiated, which is something done at the district level, and it will be communicated to you the exact dates that you are able to edit records. There are very specific dates when this window is open for teachers. To edit the records, you just need to click on this button, and now you can see that these have become drop downs for you to select. These grades here, even though it's a drop down, these will be loaded from Schoology. You cannot change these grades until after the Schoology date where the grades have come in from Schoology. After that date, you will see the grades already populated here. And then to change a grade that came in from Schoology, say the student has now turned in more work since that grade pull and you would like to bump them up, you can manually change it here. The one exception is if you have a course that does not have any grades in Schoology. You can enter those beforehand. That would be in the case, say, for a sports class that is not using Schoology, does not have any grades there. You could enter those grades early as soon as the editing opens. Otherwise, if you do have grades in Schoology, you need to wait for those grades to be auto-populated here before you can edit them. What you can add beforehand, though, is citizenship and comments. So citizenship is this CIT at the top. You are going to select from the dropdown the citizenship grade for the student. You also can come over here and you can select from the dropdown the comments. You do also have the ability to enter by just typing this is citizenship code. Say S for satisfactory, O for outstanding. You can do the same for comments. What I like doing is looking at these comments and taking them into a separate tab, so screenshotting them, so that way I just can enter the letter for the comment I want instead of having to use the drop down. But it's up to you. You can select from the drop down menu and it'll populate that letter. Okay. Once you are done editing and adding in comments, you click Done Editing. You can see here, even though I clicked Done Editing, I still have that button, Edit All Records. So you can come back and edit, say, after the grade pull, you can edit the grades in here. You can change or add any comments. You also can wait until the grades populate to add the citizenship and comments if you wish. You do have about a day and a half after the grade pull to add in that citizenship and comments before this window closes. To toggle between different periods, you're going to look up here and then you'll just select the next period to go to, say period 2, and then you will click Edit All Records again. You do not ever need to use this Load Grades from Gradebook button. We as a district do not use the Aeries Gradebook, so this button does not make any sense for us. For Newport Mesa, the grades will be pulled in from Schoology and they will auto-populate here after that import. And so that again is how you will edit your grades, and add citizenship and comments in Aeries.